Why would the book of Enoch be left out of the Bible? Simple. Because it shows the true nature of the world and that it was created by God. And if you know that the world's created by God, then you'll believe in Him. And maybe you'll shape up. The book of Enoch talks about the portals of the sun. So the sun goes in from the first portal to the second, second to the third, third to the fourth, fourth to the fifth, fifth to the sixth, sixth to the fifth to the fourth. And what are you talking about if we're on a spinning globular ball in the middle of emptiness space, right? Which is not mentioned anywhere in the Bible. Also, what is mentioned in the Bible is Job 38:14. The earth takes shape like clay pressed under a seal, and its features stand out like those of a garment. What is that? Is that a ball floating in infinite space? Everyone do this experiment. Get a piece of clay, get a seal, and press it down. And whoever gets a ball, please tag me so I can see. For the rest of us, in the meantime, since we all know that water cannot conform to the outside of a shape, and any experiment that you do can prove that, it looks like we're stuck with everything kind of being level. Kind of like when you go to the beach and it's just level. And the ships go over the horizon. Well, you bring a high power zoom camera and you can bring that whole entire ship right back into view that just disappeared over the curve. And then all of a sudden it's not over a curve anymore, and you realize the air has, you're viewing things through air. And why can I see Mount Everest? Because you're looking through air and the air distorts it. Even though I'm looking downtown towards Houston from 30 miles out, I get a haze that starts at a certain distance. That's just because you're viewing it through air. Yeah, I'm more scientific than your science people. It's really simple, but you're brainwashed because you think water can conform to a shape. You know it's not true, so what are you doing? So Enoch talks about the portals going from the 6th to the 5th, to the 4th, to the 3rd, to the 2nd, to the 1st, back to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. And on an Earth, that's a ball in space. You're just like, what the hell does that mean? But on a flat plane where the sun takes a tight loop, and then a middle loop, and then bigger each month, the loop just gets a little bit further. And this picture of 12 pictures of the sun each month, same place, same time, proves that, guys. I'm crazy though.
Making it small circuit. I've drawn a rough draft. So in the winter, the sun starts to move in, which is coming into the spring. So month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5, month 6. Half of the year, it goes from the winter into the spring, then into the summer. That's 6 months. Takes it 6 months to get to its inner circuit. Okay, and then when you hear it reversed in the book of Enoch, when it says then the sun has made its circuit, and it goes from portal 6 back to portal 5, and then from portal 5 back to portal 4, and then the nights get longer. The nights start getting longer because the sun is moving back out in its circuit. It's going back out to its winter solstice. So therefore, when it says portals, it sounds like it's going backwards when it says that. When it says it goes from the 6th portal back to the 5th portal, and then back from the 5th portal to the 4th portal. So it's really, really simple. I just wanted to explain that to you guys in case you didn't understand what the portals meant. And the 30 days, you got to remember a month. Most months are 30 days, 31 days, depending on which month you're speaking of. So it takes 6 months going in and 6 months coming back out. So 6 months to go from portal 1 to portal 6, then another 6 months to get from portal 6 back to portal 1. So what they've ingeniously done is took this whole flat earth map, and they took it and they turned the whole thing into a ball. Now what happens if I take this map right here? If I take this whole map,
and ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free.